Hi guys, thanks a lot for listening to this tutorial video on how to download a Facebook video without using any software. So, first step in the downloading process of the Facebook video when video is playing is to make on the video a right click. So, make a right click on the video. While you have made a right click, you should select the option show URL video, show video URL. So you click on show video URL, and the second step, the video URL will appear on your video as you can see on your screen. Just make copy the video URL and go in Google. So open a new tab and go on Google. When you are on Google, you should search for Facebook video downloader. So you type in your search engine Facebook video downloader. So when you select the search for Facebook video downloader, you should just click on the first option that appears, télécharger Facebook video. So you click on the option and you should just paste the URL video that you have just copied previously. So you just by paste your link on the space reserved this and click on download. So when you click on download or télécharger, according to the configuration of your computer, the video will just appear and you can just choose to download your video in HD or normal quality. So you choose the option that you will download your video in and then click on it. So when you will click on this on your option, the video will appear in the second time in the new tab, and you will click on save video as, and you will choose the directory of your computer in which you will download the video, and you can give it any name you want, and your video will be recorded in your directory. So that are the main step, the principal step that you will need to use in order to download a Facebook video without using any software. So thanks a lot for listening to this video, and very soon.